What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing 11-piece order, front and back hit. So like I tell you guys, in basically every video that I have, I go with all types of different transfer companies, whether that be TKO, Transfer Express, DTF transfers from Ninja Transfers. With this order, it's a one color, it's a front and back hit. So they give you the directions inside. This is from TKO. This is my front hit. It's a order for a block party that somebody's doing. They wanted 11 shirts. So that's my front hit. And then they got a block man on the back. So I always order extra with this, just in case if I mess up or anything. So I needed 11 and I got 13. So their pressure and everything on this is, their pressure is heavy pressure. It's 6 to 8 seconds, and on cotton it's 325. Polyester it's 300, and it's a hot peel. So this is TKO. These are very cheap. I think once you start getting it up there, I believe it's either 15 cents or 20 cents a transfer. You could do gang sheets with them. You could also do just the, like I did the single, I put this on a 12 by 12 sheet, but they cut it down for me. And every time I get from them, I haven't had any issues with TKO transfers. So I just want to show you guys how I go about it. Like, so the customer, they just want throwaway shirts. I got kids shirts too, but they said single color, it's the cheapest route to go. And that's just how I go about it. I just pick and choose. Like the kids' youth shirt, I wasn't going to order a transfer because it was only one. So I ended up cutting that out with vinyl. So I have the vinyl ready to go for that. So that's how I do things. Like I'm not going to waste money. When I got the vinyl and the cutter here, they only ordered one shirt in medium youth. So if they ordered more than that, I would have did the transfers for it. But there's no point because I get the transfer size to all the different sizes. I think I got adult, medium to extra large. So it just works out that I size it up for them. You don't have to change the design size. You can if you want to, but you don't once it gets bigger into shirts because the people are going to fill out the shirts. Like I gave away a bunch of my business shirts, same logo on size on each side, and people fill into them. They look exactly the same on the next person. So it's all about how you want to go about it. If you get a 3X and you want to put the size up bigger, that's your choice. You don't have to do that though. So I'm going to set the camera up so you guys can see me press these things up. Like I said, TKO transfers, I'll leave them in the description, and I'll leave the links to other ones. And if you go back in my other videos, if you're new to the channel, I go through all different types of transfer companies. So this is just a quick 11-piece order, quick, easy money. I think I'm flipping it for, I think $250 I got for it. So my cost was low, ended up making a couple bucks on it. And then, but that's going to bring customers. These are new customers, and hopefully they come back and keep getting. And that's what I said in the last video. I'll take their 11-piece order just so I can get them in my contacts, basically, and they know I do shirts and they'll come to me. So let me set this camera up, and I'll show you guys me pressing up some of these shirts. All right, guys, so we're up to temp here. I'm going to check it with my temp gun anyway. I'll leave the links to this stuff in the description. We're good. We're up to temp on this. We'll do that pre-press real quick. I already went and rolled it. So another easy way is, like I said in other videos, if you fold your transfer end to end and then pinch it, you'll know exactly where your center is. So with this, I'm going about 3 to 4 fingers down from the chest. I'm gonna pull my armpits here to make sure everything's good. And then I have my t-shirt guide. This is also something I got on Amazon that I can leave the links for you guys. Like I said, it's a very simple way to make money. Line my center up right there. There's no cover sheet on these. I'm going about 4 fingers down from the chest. Make sure everything's good. Got my heavy pressure. It's on for 9 seconds and it's a hot peel. Make sure everything's lined up before I go. never had a problem with TKO. It's 324 for 9 seconds. I got it. Pull it out. Hot peel it. Nothing left on the transfer sheet. So I'm going to keep going at these. I'll hold these up at the end for you. Like I said, there's one in the back. But I got to turn the fan on because it's real hot today. It's about 90 some degrees here. So I'm going to turn that fan on and I'm going to get to pressing these. Alright guys, so now I'm getting into these back hits. Did all the front hits. Like I said, I'll hold them up for you at the end. Same thing. They come with the directions right in it. It's the same setup that I got on here right now. Let me open these up. And I gotta also say too that TKO always sends me extra transfers. So this is their back hit. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go right back through it. I got the front done, and now I'm gonna do the back hit. Now for the back hit, it's the same thing. I throw it onto the heat press. I make sure the collar is over the press so it's not sticking up. And I'm gonna go about 4 inches down from the top of the neckline, from right here. And I'm going to center it up, and that's where I'm going to put it, about 4 inches down so it sits proper on the back. Same thing, you're going to lint roll it. You're going to pre-press it. You're going to do all the same stuff, just basically back over again. So I'm going to lint roll the whole area where it's going. Then I'm going to pre-press it. And then once I get this first one for you guys, then I'm gonna just set it up. So that way, I'm just gonna get the camera going. Like I said, it's real hot in here today. So I'm gonna keep the fan going. You guys aren't gonna be able to hear me with the fan. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just centering up this transfer. This job wasn't a hard job to do because of just all the easy lines and everything. Just straight, dead front center of the shirt for the front hit. So that's centered there. TKO, you could also see their transfers through their transfer paper, which is a big help. Now I'm about 3 inches down right now, so I'm going to move it down to about 4 inches. But I don't want to go off my heat press, so I'm going to keep it like right there. It's high up on the top of the press that I can get. If you got to move your shirt around, do what you got to do. All right, so that's 4 inches down right there. That's where I'm going to keep it at. Centered up. Make sure everything's good. And then just send it. And then, like I said, hot peel. I'm going to keep the camera going while I'm doing some of these. And I'm going to turn the fan back on. Just going to grab a corner, rip it up, hot peel. Nothing left on transfer. All right, guys, that was just a quick video for you. So I'll show you these real quick. So here's the medium youth. I did this one in vinyl because, like I said, there was no reason for me to order a separate transfer, pay the extra money when I could just do this one in vinyl. If there was more youth shirts, I would have just got transfers. But here's the actual shirt. So it's for a block party. That's the mascot I believe they're using. I'll put a picture up if I can get a picture of it. But like I said, this is TKO Transfers that I got it from. It's a front hit, back hit, single color. Very cheap and affordable to do it this way. So I'll leave the links to everything below. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm keep coming out with some more of this content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.